question for you. Do you say things like very big, very tired, very happy, or very interesting?
Be honest. Most English learners say the word very all the time.
Very good, very nice, very delicious, very, very, very everything.
Yes, and after a while, your English starts sounding like a robot that only knows one button.
The very button.
Exactly.
But today, we are going to fix that.
In this episode, we will show you 25 powerful words that instantly make your English sound more natural.
And some of these words are used by native speakers every single day.
So if you want to sound more fluent
And more confident,
and less very, very, very,
stay with us until the end. Welcome back to Speak English with Sam and Lily.
your friendly place to learn real English through natural conversations.
And today's episode is a practical one.
Because vocabulary is one of the fastest ways to improve your English.
You might know grammar, you might understand movies, but if your vocabulary is basic, your English will sound basic.
And that's completely normal. Every learner goes through this stage.
Actually, I remember when I was learning another language.
Oh, really? What happened?
I kept saying the same word again and again.
Let me guess. The very problem.
Exactly. Everything was very good, very interesting, very beautiful.
And one day, someone probably told you, Sam, you need more words.
Yes, my vocabulary intervention.
So today, we're going to give you those words.
But here's the important part. We're not just going to list words,
We'll use them in real conversations.
so you can understand them, remember them, and actually use them.
And listeners, here's a small challenge for you. While you listen,
Try to replace the word very in your mind.
because by the end of this episode,
You'll know at least 25 better alternatives.
ready?
Let's begin.
All right, let's start upgrading your English vocabulary.
Here's how this works. We'll say a common phrase using very,
And then we'll show you a stronger word that native speakers use instead.
and trust me, once you start using these words, your English will sound much more natural.
Okay, word upgrade number 1.
Instead of saying very big,
You can say enormous.
enormous means extremely big.
Example sentence. That building is enormous.
Listeners, repeat with us. Enormous.
E-nor-mus.
So instead of saying, this pizza is very big, you can say, this pizza is enormous.
Which honestly sounds much more dramatic.
Word upgrade number 2. Instead of saying very small, say tiny.
Tiny means extremely small. Example sentence. The kitten is tiny.
Please repeat with us. Tiny.
Tiny.
Actually, I once saw a dog that was so tiny it could sit inside a coffee cup.
That's not a dog, that's a decoration.
All right, word upgrade number 3. Instead of saying very tired, say exhausted.
Exhausted means extremely tired. Example sentence. I was exhausted after work.
Listeners, repeat with us. Exhausted.
Exhausted.
If you run a marathon, you're exhausted. If you watch 3 hours of Netflix,
You're just relaxed.
that is not the same level of tired.
Word upgrade number 4. Instead of saying very hungry, say starving.
Starving means extremely hungry. Example sentence. I'm starving. Let's get something to eat.
Repeat after us. Starving.
Starving.
You know someone is really hungry when they open the fridge and stare inside like it's a treasure chest.
Yes, and somehow the fridge is still empty.
Okay, word upgrade number 5. Instead of saying very scared, say terrified.
Terrified means extremely scared. Example sentence: She was terrified during the horror movie.
Repeat with us. Terrified.
Terrified.
I remember watching a horror movie once, and the entire audience screamed.
Did you scream too?
No, I bravely covered my eyes.
Very brave.
All right, listeners, quick mini challenge. We'll say the phrase with very, and you say the stronger word. Ready? Very big,
Enormous.
very tired,
Exhausted.
very hungry.
Starving.
See? Your vocabulary is already getting stronger.
And we still have many more words to learn.
Next, we'll move to words that native speakers use all the time.
And some of them will make your English sound instantly more natural.
All right, listeners, now things get even more interesting.
Because the next words are ones that native speakers use all the time.
So if you learn these, your English will sound instantly more natural.
Let's start with something fun. Instead of saying very funny, you can say hilarious.
Hilarious means extremely funny. Example sentence: That movie was hilarious.
Repeat after us. Hilarious.
Hilarious.
You know something is hilarious when you start laughing and you can't stop.
Yes, like when someone tries to pronounce a difficult English word and accidentally says something completely different.
That happens more often than people think.
All right, word upgrade number 2 in this section. Instead of saying very angry, say furious.
Furious means extremely angry. Example sentence: He was furious when he saw the broken window.
Repeat with us. Furious.
Furious.
When I was a kid, I once broke a lamp in the living room.
Uh-oh.
My parents were furious.
Let me guess. You blamed the dog?
Of course. Next word. Instead of saying very pretty, say gorgeous.
Gorgeous means extremely beautiful. Example sentence: That sunset is gorgeous.
Repeat after us. Gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
I remember visiting the mountains once. The view was absolutely gorgeous.
Moments like that remind you how beautiful the world can be.
Next upgrade. Instead of saying very cold, say freezing.
Freezing means extremely cold. Example sentence: It's freezing outside today.
Repeat with us. Freezing.
Freezing.
If you go outside without a jacket in winter, you'll understand this word immediately.
Very fast vocabulary learning.
Next word. Instead of saying very hot, say boiling.
Boiling means extremely hot. Example sentence: It's boiling today.
Repeat after us. Boiling.
Boiling.
When the weather is boiling, you start looking for air conditioning everywhere.
Even inside supermarkets.
All right, listeners, quick challenge time. We say the phrase, you say the stronger word. Very funny,
Hilarious.
very angry,
Furious.
very pretty,
Gorgeous.
very cold.
Freezing.
Look at that. Your vocabulary is growing fast.
And we still have some very powerful words left.
In the next section, we'll show you advanced words that make your English sound even more fluent.
And we'll also give you a fun challenge to test your new vocabulary.
All right, listeners. Now we're moving into the next level of vocabulary.
These words are slightly more advanced, but they are extremely useful in everyday English.
So if you start using them, people will immediately notice your English improving.
Let's begin. Instead of saying very interesting,
You can say fascinating. Fascinating means extremely interesting. Example sentence. That documentary was fascinating.
repeat with us. Fascinating.
Fascinating. I once watched a documentary about deep-sea creatures. Some of those animals looked like aliens.
Yes, the ocean is full of fascinating creatures.
Next upgrade. Instead of saying very important, say crucial.
Crucial means extremely important. Example sentence. Good communication is crucial in relationships.
Repeat after us. Crucial.
Crucial.
Learning vocabulary like this is crucial because it helps you express ideas more clearly. Next one. Instead of saying very difficult, say challenging.
Challenging means difficult but interesting. Example sentence. Learning a new language can be challenging.
Repeat after us. Challenging.
Jing.
Sometimes English pronunciation is challenging. Words like comfortable.
Yes, everyone thinks it should be bull, but native speakers say comfortable.
English likes to surprise people. Next upgrade. Instead of saying very strong, say powerful.
Powerful means extremely strong. Example sentence. That speech was powerful.
Repeat with us. Powerful.
Full.
Some speeches can change how people think. That's the power of language.
Words can be incredibly powerful.
Next word. Instead of saying very weak, say fragile.
Fragile means easily broken or damaged. Example sentence. Be careful, that glass is fragile.
Repeat after us. Fragile.
Fragile.
Also, my phone screen is fragile because I drop it at least once a week.
You definitely need a stronger phone case.
All right, listeners, quick challenge again. We say the phrase, you say the stronger word. Very interesting.
Fascinating.
Very important.
Crucial.
Very difficult.
Challenging.
Very strong.
Powerful.
Great job. Your vocabulary is becoming much stronger.
And remember, you don't need thousands of new words. Just replacing simple words with stronger ones can transform your English.
In the next section, we'll give you a fun challenge to test everything you learned today.
And we'll review the most powerful words from this episode.
All right, listeners, now it's time to test your new vocabulary.
You've learned many powerful words today, but vocabulary only becomes useful when you actually use it.
So we're going to play a small game together.
We'll say a sentence using the word very.
Then you replace it with the stronger word. Ready? Let's begin. Sentence 1. I am very tired today.
Better word? Exhausted.
Great. Try saying it yourself. I am exhausted today.
Perfect.
Sentence 2. That movie was very funny.
Better word? Hilarious.
Say it with us. That movie was hilarious.
And if a movie is really hilarious, you laugh so much you forget to breathe.
Or you spill your popcorn everywhere. Sentence 3. This building is very big.
Better word? Enormous.
Try the sentence. This building is enormous.
That already sounds more fluent.
Actually, I remember visiting a city with enormous skyscrapers. The buildings were so tall, you almost couldn't see the top.
Cities like that can feel overwhelming, but also fascinating.
Next sentence. The weather is very cold.
Better word? Freezing.
Say it with us. It's freezing outside.
Which is exactly how I feel every morning in winter.
That's why you wear 5 jackets.
Layers are important.
Listeners, here's a quick speaking challenge.
Choose one of the new words you learned today. Then create your own sentence. For example, I was exhausted after my workout. Or, the sunset yesterday was gorgeous.
Pause the episode for a moment if you want and try saying your sentence out loud.
Speaking out loud helps your brain remember vocabulary faster.
And don't worry about making mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning.
In fact, every fluent speaker once sounded like a beginner.
The difference is they kept practicing.
And now, in the final section of this episode, we'll review the most powerful vocabulary you learned today.
Plus, we have a small challenge for the comments.
So stay with us for the final part. All right, listeners, before we finish today's episode, let's do a quick vocabulary tour.
This will help you remember the strongest words from today.
We'll say the word, and you repeat after us. Ready? Enormous.
Enormous, meaning extremely big.
Tiny.
Tiny, meaning extremely small.
Exhausted.
Exhausted, meaning extremely tired.
Starving.
Starving, meaning extremely hungry.
Hilarious.
Hilarious, meaning extremely funny.
Furious.
Furious, meaning extremely angry.
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous, meaning extremely beautiful.
Freezing.
Freezing, meaning extremely cold.
Boiling.
Boiling, meaning extremely hot.
Fascinating.
Fascinating, meaning extremely interesting.
Now look at that. You already know many powerful English words.
And the best part is, you can start using them today.
Fluency is not about knowing thousands of words. It's about using better words.
Small vocabulary upgrades can make a big difference.
Now, listeners, we need to talk about something important.
Oh no, what happened?
Well, if people don't like the episode, or subscribe, or share it, Lily might get sad.
Yes, very sad. Actually, extremely sad.
See? She already stopped using the word very.
So, if you enjoyed this episode, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with another English learner.
Your support helps us continue making episodes like this.
And honestly, seeing your comments motivates us a lot.
So here's our question for you. What new word from today's episode will you start using? For example, I was exhausted after work, or the movie was hilarious.
And we also want to ask you something. What topic should we talk about in the next episode?
Write your suggestion in the comments. We read your ideas.
And many of our episodes actually come from listener suggestions.
Thank you for learning English with us today.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep improving your English.
This is Sam,
This is Lily.
and you've been listening to Speak English with Sam and Lily.
Bye, everyone.
We'll see you in the next episode.